Hi everyone, this is Robin from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today we have an exclusive unit right here at 193 Bukit Batok West Avenue 6. This fully renovated, thoughtfully designed, modern industrial theme home has been kept in immaculate condition since the owner moved in here 7 years ago. Every inch of this home has been thoroughly renovated and replaced with premium finishings. Samsung digital locks, broom hinges, and Grohe bathroom fittings. No expenses were spared. If you are to compare against the original floor plan, you will notice that the part of once elongated living room has since been converted into a bedroom. The previous bedroom tree has been opened up and is now part of the current spacious, squarish living and dining area. This clever layout change took away the original wasted corridor space amongst the bedrooms and opened up the living room area so perfectly with 3 bedrooms still intact. As we step into what was previously the master bedroom, you notice the left side of the room being flanked with a full height wardrobe, and the once balcony now has been converted into a study nook. And here, when you enter the bedroom, housing the full-length wardrobe, this hidden door takes you to the master bathroom that was made more spacious and wider. The owner specially selected these tiles imported from Italy and had the toilet fitted with modern branded fittings from Grohe. The Korean blinds bring in just the right amount of light and yet maintaining the privacy of the master bedroom. The master bedroom and the second bedroom are divided by these sliding doors. Both bedrooms face the greenery and waterway filled with aesthetic stone, 细水长流, very Japanese, very nice. There are ample storage cabinets in this beautiful home. You are able to tuck everything nicely away. All the cabinets and doors in this house are all fitted with broom hinges, which are renowned for its durability. As we step out into the living room, notice how spacious and inviting this living room area feels. The living room windows are frosted, so you have your privacy while keeping the living area bright during the day. Now stepping into the kitchen, we are first greeted with this beautiful countertop space, good for dining with the whole family or just a quick meal over the counter. This Surface Compact Plus countertop is only 6 mm thick but built for durability. It is also low maintenance. Mayer induction top and hood, along with full top and bottom kitchen cabinets. Over here, neatly tucked in the corner is the storeroom for all your storage needs. As we head onto the yard area, housing the washer and dryer, you will notice the natural sun, which is great for laundry. The toilet door was carefully moved to the back for more privacy. The best is always kept for the last. As we re-enter the living room, you will not miss the 2 industrial thick wood barn doors. Look closer behind and notice the featured wall. How subtly beautiful, isn't it? 3 years ago, owner saw this in an architectural magazine and immediately owner got Nippon Paint to do up this feature wall. What we have seen today is a well-renovated, functional and immaculately maintained house. Next owner need not to worry about wiring or leaking issues or consider electrical points wiring works. Pristine move-in condition, just bring your belongings and you are all set to go. The Precinct just went through an extensive home improvement and neighborhood renewal. Bukit Batok Central Park is a short walk away. Little Guilin and Bukit Batok Nature Reserve are just 5 minutes drive away. Bukit Batok Swimming Complex and Active SG Gym are also a short walk away. For families and exercise-loving individuals, this is definitely a major plus point. When the Jurong Region Line is up, Bukit Batok West MRT will be 400 meters away. Currently, Bukit Batok MRT station is only 10 minutes walk or 2 bus stops away. Jurong East Station is just 3 bus stops away. There are plenty of food options nearby. 2 blocks away, you will find Bukit Batok West Shopping Centre, which houses your wet market, coffee shops, supermarkets such as Sheng Siong, NTUC, and other neighbourhood shops. West Mall, GEM, Westgate, and IMM, Singapore's largest outlet mall, are all within a 5 to 10 minutes drive away. Isn't this unit stunning? I'm sure you'll be impressed. Contact me at 90025-801 today. This is Robin from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. I'll see you soon.